Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the Edifier G2000 PC speakers. They work with Mac as well. I've been using them on Mac for editing recently. I've been using these for a couple of weeks because I really wanted to get a good idea of what they're like and what they sound like. I'm not an audiophile by any means, but to me, these speakers just really do sound really amazing. What you get in the box, first of all, before we jump into the details, is the speakers themselves. You get one active speaker and one passive speaker. They're joined together by one cable. The active speaker gets fed the audio and the USB, and the power input as well goes into that, and then it powers the other one. You get a auxiliary lead, you get a USB cable for connecting it to the computer, and you get the power adapter as well to plug it in to supply these with the power. They market these speakers as gaming speakers, but I've been listening to music whilst editing videos or just pottering around in the studio, and they just really are very good. They are very bassy speakers, that is very obvious as soon as you turn them on. They do really sound very good. To help with that mega bass, they've got a column shaped cabinet and a backward mega bass port. Really does hit you in the chest. This bass sounds absolutely brilliant. The unit itself is 2.75 inch and it's got a 16 watt RMS output. They also feature lighting effects. Like I said, these are for gamers, and no gaming speaker or any sort of gaming peripheral will be complete with any RGB, and they feature lights on the back which are a really nice touch. When you turn these speakers on, they make a car sound revving up, and that's a really nice touch as well. But you can change the colours of the lights, you can change the effects as well. There's 12 different colours you can skip through. While we're talking about the controls, on the left hand side on the active speaker you've got the controls, and it's got the switch for the volume up and down. Really easy rocker switch to adjust the volume up and down, and then you've got a couple of switches, one to power them on and another one to change the modes as well. There's a gaming mode, there's a movie mode, and there's a music mode. So for any kind of sound, music, audio you're listening to, you're covered. The button on the bottom is how you change the colours of the RGB. You simply hold the button down and it cycles through the different colours and effects. There's 3 ways as well to connect these to your PC or MacBook. You've got a auxiliary cable, or you've got a USB cable, which is one I've been using, or you can actually connect these speakers via Bluetooth as well. They're Bluetooth capable, connect to PC or Mac, and it works really well. But if you want the best audio, I definitely advise connecting it via a cable to the computer. I've got, like I said, I'm using USB, but you have got that auxiliary output as well. There is another output on the back of the active speaker, and that is for a sub. So they do sell a separate sub that you can connect to this to make the bass even bigger and the sound even more rich. So those are the details of the Edifier G2000 PC compatible speakers for gaming. To my ears, I'm not an audiophile by any stretch of the imagination, but to my ears they sound amazing. The bass is very, very deep. The crisp audio is very rich. The mid-tones and the voice that you hear through these speakers are extremely good. They look very good quality. They are built very well. The features are good, and they just look pretty cool as well on the desk here. So I'm very happy with them. If you want to go and check them out, there will be a link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link, but that's the only way I'm making any money off this. There's not a sponsored video at all. They did send me them for free to test, but apart from that, they've got no input on this video. I just genuinely think these are very good speakers for the money, for the price. If you're after gaming speakers for your PC or your Mac setup, these are a good option. There is one downside though that I did notice from using these for a couple of weeks. Whilst moving them around a little bit, they are fingerprint magnets, and that is the only thing I can pick up. It's a little bit nitpicky, but when you're moving them and you've got grease fingers, you are going to get finger marks on the sort of matte black outer shell of these speakers. But that's the only real downside. Like I said, they do look quality speakers. They are very well made. They've got a bit of weight to them. On the bottom, incidentally, you've got some rubber feet as well. If you want to put these on stands, I presume they'll fit okay. Yeah, I really do like them, and I'm going to be using them for editing video. I must admit, although I have used headphones to edit video in the past. I'm not a massive fan of wearing them for long periods of time. They do tend to hurt my ears. So using the speakers the last few weeks while I've been using these has been really good and a nice change and a lot more comfortable to edit for long periods of time anyway. So yeah, I'm going to carry on using these guys, but that's it for this video. If you want to check them out, there will be a link in the description down below. But thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys. See you soon. Bye.